Okay, for our cheese mixture, 1 stick of softened butter. To that, we're going to add lots of garlic, and we're going to add 4 cloves. Next goes in our chopped parsley. And we're going to add our Parmesan cheese into this. Next, we're going to spread this onto our bread. Next, you cut your bread, your French bread. Next, we're going to spread onto our French bread. Smells garlicky and delicious. Next, we're going to put 1 cup total of mozzarella cheese and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And lastly, we're going to put our friend bacon on. We're going to place these on a sheet pan. All right, into the oven they go, 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. All right, we've pulled out our garlic cheesy bread with bacon, and we turned our broiler on a little bit to brown up the top. Smells amazing. Okay, let's try out this garlic cheesy bread with bacon. I can really tell you it smells amazing. We're going to dip it in a little marinara here. That's amazing. I mean, savory bacon, the parsley you can taste. The cheese is spot on, perfect crispy crunch. Highly recommend. Give this a try. Let me know what you think. I think we're going to make a meal out of this. Thanks.